Artificial intelligence seems to be everywhere these days. Whether it's Pope Francis sporting a stylish Balenciaga-inspired puffer jacket, or YouTube flooded with videos on how to make money using ChatGPT, Midjourney, and other trending AI tools. Curious about how these tools work and how you can use them affordably? Well, let me introduce you to Stable Diffusion, an open source AI image generation tool that lets you create breathtaking digital images. The best part, Stable Diffusion is completely free. In this video, we will look at how Stable Diffusion works and why it can compete with other tools out there like Midjourney, DALL-E 2, or Adobe Firefly. Stable Diffusion is a computer program that turns descriptions into pictures, acting like an artist who can understand your input and draw it for you. Stable Diffusion employs an artificial intelligence that has been trained on extensive datasets of pictures and text. This training enables it to produce new images resembling ones it has encountered before. To create a new image, you provide a prompt or brief description of what you want the image to look like. The process begins with Stable Diffusion generating a random, noisy image as an initial canvas, as generating an image from scratch is more complex than refining an existing one. Next, the model applies various operations to progressively transform the noisy image into one that aligns with your prompt. This iterative process continues with the generator making small adjustments after each round until the output image meets the predefined criteria, resulting in the final picture. But with numerous AI art generation tools emerging daily, you might wonder why you should choose Stable Diffusion. What sets it apart from the rest? Number 1, it produces excellent results. All the images you see here were generated by me using simple prompts in Stable Diffusion. Additionally, you can find numerous websites online where people have shared their images and they are also exceptional. Second, Stable Diffusion is open source and free to use without any hidden fees or subscriptions. You can freely download and utilize the generated images without worrying about image credits or monthly plans. Reason number 3, it offers extensive image customization options, surpassing other similar tools I've encountered. Number 4, it has relatively low hardware requirements, but you will need a computer with a sufficiently capable graphics card. This means Windows, Mac OS, or Linux operating system. A graphic card with at least 4 GB of VRAM, 12 GB or more install space, ideally an SSD. I'm running Stable Diffusion on a Mac Mini M1 with 8 GB of memory and MacBook Air M2 with 8 GB memory. Alternatively, you can run Stable Diffusion online via Google Colab. This is a good option if you don't have enough GPU and you want to use the Google servers instead. However, using the Google Colab option, you will need to purchase a subscription. I've created a beginner's course on Stable Diffusion on Udemy, where you can learn everything you need to know about Stable Diffusion. And you can find the link in the description. I have a series of videos planned for upcoming weeks on Stable Diffusion, so if you want to level up your skills, make sure you're subscribed. Thank you all so much for watching and see you next time.